Hey everyone, this is Joe Brown here at Financial Wellness University. And I want to talk to you about things you could do to make the next 12 months better than the last. And there's four basic areas you need to concentrate on. Four basic areas you need to concentrate on. And the four areas are that can help you improve the next 12 months of your life are your beliefs. Your beliefs. Yes, your beliefs, your body, your bonds, and your business. I'll say that again. Your beliefs, your body, your bonds, and your business. Beliefs. Let's look at beliefs and hang on to the end, because the business part is going to be the major thrust that I want you to focus on as a follower of me, because that's what I focus on, business, on this channel for more than anything else. But your beliefs kind of inform what you think, how you act. And my advice to you, I know there's many beliefs out there. You can have beliefs that are not religious, but most time when we think of beliefs, we think of it in a religious context. But what you believe, what informs your mind and how you react to things makes a difference. I happen to be, and I'm proud to say, I'm a Christian. I'm a follower of Jesus Christ. You may not be. Whatever you believe, I'm gonna recommend two things. One, don't blindly follow anyone without studying what you actually believe, what the scriptures or the tenets of your faith. Study them for yourself and check what you learning and see if they align with one another. Two, don't follow something so stringently that you don't have an open mind to learn more or something different. And I'm not saying necessarily leave yourself open to learning multiple religions, but even within your belief system, you don't know everything. I don't know everything. So don't approach something saying, "Oh, I don't believe that." Well, you may not believe that right now, but as the Bible says, test the spirit with the spirit. I mean, and discern. Some people use the Marvel, something that's tingling your spidey senses. Something just don't seem right, or something resonates with you. You ought to study. As the Bible also says, study to show thyself approved, a workman that need not ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. So, it's your beliefs make a difference. All right. And then we look at your body. Your body. As Jim Rome said, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. In other words, it was an Indian proverb that says, a healthy man has many wishes, but a sick man has only one. So take care of your body. Get proper rest. Get good exercise. Eat right. So the next 12 months will be better than the last. See your doctors regularly. Have a primary physician that you see for your physical and maybe a follow-up physical. And if something don't feel right, go in and ask a question. It's better to ask a question and it be nothing than to have it be something and you never question it. So yeah, get dental appointments, get eye appointments, go see your specialist. If you have get your numbers, all those, your cholesterol levels and your A1C if you have diabetes, and And if you don't even have diabetes, know your glucose level. So get all those numbers and stay healthy. Stay healthy. All right? Healthy and clean and all those things that involve, get good sleep, have a good mattress. All those things make your body stronger and last longer. So we looked at beliefs. We looked at your body. Now let's look at bonds. Now bonds is going to play. And all four kind of intertwine and support one another. But the bonds, what are those relationships, those strong relationships in your life? Your marriage, that's supposed to be for life. So don't enter into a marriage hastily or without advice, because it's supposed to be for life, man. It's supposed to be for life. So, and you don't want to spend your life with the wrong person. You want to spend it with the right person. So make your decisions to commit to someone. Make them with advice and without haste, without rushing it. All right, because it's been said that you are the average of the 5 people you hang around the most. So look around, look at your circle of friends, your circle of relationships. What are they doing? Are they doing something that you're proud of, or are they doing something to you're not proud of? That means the next 12 months you might be in a position to purge some of your friends and to find new friends. It's like the eagle that was raised by turkeys. The eagle, they don't know what they just acting like a turkey, saying gobble gobble and walking around. And then the eagle sees them and says, "What are you doing? You can fly. I can fly." So when they begin to realize what they can do, oh man, so that means when you hang around the right person, you can see your full potential because they're pushing their full potential. But you'll never see your full potential hanging around people who complain and criticize and condemn every little thing. Now those people might be your spouse. Those people might be in your family. So you might not just necessarily, push them to the side, but you got to develop relationships in your life that take you further, that lift you higher. I like Oprah Winfrey quote. She said, "Surround yourself with people who will lift you higher." And I like that. Don't surround yourself with people who bring you down, but lift you higher. So your bonds. So we looked at your beliefs. We looked at your body. We looked at your bonds. Now let's look at your business. Let's look at your business. How do you make a living? How do you make this world a better place through your service to others and they pay you for it? What are you doing? If you have a job, I recommend everyone should have at least 2 streams of income. And if one is a job, the other one should be a business. Have your own business. And what I say, and as it pertains to business, just 3 things that I recommend. And I've kind of touched on one of them already. One thing is change your mindset. You have to be able to transform the Bible says, "Be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind." It means what you're listening to, who you're listening to, what you're reading. All those things affect your thinking. So you have to transform your thinking so that you can be the person that you're going to reap the benefits of before you reap the benefits, if you know what I mean. So is be the person, then do the things that those successful people, and then you'll have what those successful people will have. Okay? So change your mindset. How do you do that? You read a whole lot of books. You listen to podcasts, you listen to videos, you listen to speeches, You surround yourself and affect your mind with things that are positive, uplifting, inspiring, right? Those things change your mindset, right? And then once your mindset is changed, number two is change your environment, the people you're around. That those bonds that we talked about before, well, that makes a difference. So try to find more people that think like you. Like join a trade organization, do a seminar with other people. Go, just join a mastermind group. Just find more people who think the way you think or think the way you want to think if you want to be in business, right? So, and then the last one is the most important one. You got to set aside time and money to do the right thing. So I mean, you got to budget those things. You got to put within your budget travel and seminars and things like that, so that when they come up, you won't have to borrow or beg for money, but you'll have it in your budget already. So set aside time in your budget, and more importantly, set aside time in your schedule for business. Put a few hours a day or a few hours, a set amount of hours per week, so that you will dedicate those to building your business, building your side hustle, building your brand, so that you will improve your life in such a way that maybe those few hours that you set aside will produce an income that replaces the 40 hours that you might have worked in a job. So yeah, what do you want to do during those hours you set aside? Practice learning your skill, or learning the product, or developing the product or skill that you need to promote to people who need those products, need those services. All right? Could be content creation. It could be coding. It could be writing copy, which copy is just basically all the words that are used in different media sources. It could be a skill that you have that you just need to cultivate, and you need to spend time developing the systems and procedures so that they can run even when you sleep. They can run even when you're on vacation. Right? So these are things that I think are going to make the next 12 months better than the last 12 months. Your beliefs, your body, your bonds, and your business. If you think this was helpful to you, hey, give me a thumbs up or a like, or depending on what platform you're on. Drop a line, look at the links below, hit them, subscribe, all that good stuff. Give me some comments. Let me know what you think. Was it helpful? I wish you the best. See you at the top. God bless.